In this video you will get 5 best book for learning English grammar. If you want more information about these books, just follow description box link and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get next book's idea. Is grammar giving you a headache? If only there were a magic spell to take away the pain and frustration. If you're like most English language learners, you probably find the topic uncomfortable. Don't worry, many of us native English speakers aren't too fond of it either. Grammar is complicated. There's a lot of information to take in and understand, and even English speakers break grammar rules all the time. You might be surprised to know that a lot of native speakers can't explain the ins and outs of grammar, they just know what sounds correct and what doesn't. Let's have a quick look on top 5 book for learning English grammar. Number 5. Schaum's Outline of English Grammar by Eugene Ehrlich. Schaum's Outline of English Grammar is more than just a workbook, it's a comprehensive grammar guide that's loaded with grammatical material and practice problems. This workbook is perfect for students who like to memorize rules and terminology. The material is presented in a straightforward way with definitions and explanations, but it doesn't provide much for students who learn through scenarios. For this reason, it's only recommended for learners who benefit from traditional learning styles and don't need illustrations and creative activities to memorize grammar. With that said, Schaum's Outline of English Grammar can take any dedicated student from intermediate to advanced provided you stick to the book's structured learning program. It's even great for aspiring writers. Number 4. English Grammar in Use by Raymond Murphy. Everyone should pick this book up at some point with their tryst with reading. The plot concerns itself with the great Indian epic Mahabharata but is told by none other than Draupadi. For the longest time, our ancient literature has missed out on a feminine voice, but this retelling of the tale through the perspective of Draupadi will make you look at the story in a different light. Born from fire, Draupadi marries the 5 Pandava brothers while harboring a secret love. She is often blamed for starting a war which killed many, but this is her story and you may just see why she isn't the one to blame. A fresh take on an old story is a great way to ignite your interest in reading, although the full title of this resource is English Grammar in Use with Answers and CD-ROM, a self-study reference and practice book for intermediate learners of English. It's actually great for students of every skill level. It focuses specifically on British grammar, making the workbook perfect for learners who plan on taking the IELTS exam. What's great about this particular book is that it's not strictly a workbook, but rather a mix between a grammar textbook and workbook. The first few chapters cover the easy grammar topics, but as you progress further into the book, the content becomes more challenging. The good news is that every chapter starts with easy-to-understand explanations and plenty of examples, so you can get a good understanding of the material before you start solving the problems. English Grammar in Use also comes with a free CD-ROM that's filled with bonus supplementary material, including in-depth explanations and extra problems to solve. If you're looking for a well-rounded workbook that focuses specifically on British English, this is one of the best books on the market. Number 3. Understanding and Using English Grammar, Workbook by Betty Schrampfer-Azar, Rachel Spack-Koch and Stacey A. Hagen. If your proficiency level is somewhere between intermediate and advanced and you're someone who loves to study independently, Understanding and Using English Grammar is filled with all of the in-depth knowledge that you need to understand grammar. The workbook is loaded with challenging problems and helpful examples that cover the basics of articles, verb conjugation, punctuation and many other important grammatical areas that can help you speak and write English like a native speaker. Not all books come with an answer key, so check to make sure that you have the full edition before ordering your copy. You can even use the workbook alongside the Understanding and Using English Grammar textbook to really send your grammatical skills to the next level. Number 2. ESL Intermediate, Advanced Grammar by Mary Ellen Munoz Page. This one was originally published for adults, but over the years, The Catcher in the Rye has become popular with all the teenage readers going through a phase of rebellion. The protagonist Holden Caulfield has been expelled from his school due to poor grades. He is at a confusing place in life and cannot even imagine telling his parents about the whole ordeal. Quite typical, isn't it? The book is the journey of Holden, who finds that he is shedding away his childhood to enter the adult world. Like any teenager, he finds it tough and even plans on running away to become a recluse. However, you need to read the book to see if he actually takes the step. Moreover, it will make you live your teenage angst all over again. If you're tired of learning English from books that don't understand the unique challenges that English language learners face, this book is right for you. It's written by a bilingual author who knows what it's like to learn a second language and explains the content in a way that's perfect for ESL students. The book is a mix between textbook and workbook, and it explains different grammatical structures as well as gives you various problems related to the topics. It's filled with test-taking strategies to help students prepare for the TOEFL exam and covers the basics of articles, prepositions and verb structures. The workbook even comes with its own comprehensive glossary, so you don't have to worry about carrying around a dictionary every time you study. If you're preparing for an upcoming English proficiency exam, ESL Intermediate Advanced Grammar is a must-have book to add to your study collection. Number 1. Basic Grammar in Use Students Book with Answers by William R. Smalzer, Joseph Chappell and Raymond Murphy. The world's best-selling grammar series for learners of English. Basic Grammar in Use 4th edition is an American English self-study reference and practice book for beginner-level learners. With simple explanations, clear examples, and easy-to-understand exercises, it is perfect for students who are learning on their own, but can also be used in the classroom. It comes with an easy-to-use answer key in the back of the book. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, consider to subscribe our channel. If you have any question about these top 5 books, you can leave a comment below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.